Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word regulation. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The government passed new regulations to ensure safety in the workplace. Regulation refers to rules or laws set by a governing body to control or manage a specific activity, industry, or behavior for the benefit of society. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.